Innovating durability in heavy machinery. Post-weld heat treatment for steel fabrication. Heavy machinery used in industries like steel manufacturing, oil and gas, and mining faces extreme pressure and heat. Over time, this leads to significant wear, impacting performance and reliability. In this case, a steel processing roller assembly required critical repair. The challenge was performing precise post-weld heat treatment on a small pre-machined stud, just 145 millimeters in diameter, to prepare it for final machining and operation. Key challenge: maintain weld integrity while avoiding distortions. Our tailored heat treatment solution included advanced tools designed for accuracy and efficiency, twin heat modules for uniform temperature distribution, compact finger heaters for precise heat application, coil rope heaters to adapt to irregular shapes, Cooper knit mats for even heat distribution, fixed thermocouples for real-time temperature monitoring, optimizing performance with advanced heating technology. This precision approach ensured the weldment maintained its structural integrity, paving the way for final machining and a reliable return to service. Post-treatment, the roller assembly was optimized for use in high-pressure and high-temperature environments, from rolling mills to oil rigs and heavy machinery operations. Key achievements: enhanced longevity, minimized downtime, cost-effective solutions. Partner with us for advanced heat treatment solutions that deliver durability and reliability across industries.